All right, what's up guys? Zach here, and I want to share with you how to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo. This is a step-by-step guide. Let's dive into it. So number one, you need to create a Klaviyo account and you need to create a Shopify account, of course. So I'm going to assume you already created those and you're trying to link the two. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off in Klaviyo here. So I have a test account. You're going to start by clicking your store name in the bottom left. So in this case, it'll be ZHS Ecom in the bottom left of your Klaviyo account. So once you do that, once you click this button in the bottom left here, you're going to actually go ahead and hit integrations. And then once you hit integrations, you're going to go to this screen right here. And as you can see, if you haven't integrated Klaviyo with Shopify, there's going to be no integrations available. So you'll simply hit add integration at the top right. And then once you hit add integration, you're going to search Shopify within here and then click this button for Shopify. All right, so now you're going to be on this screen here. So I'm going to go through each individual step and show you what it looks like and how to fill out each step. So number one is going to be your store URL. So you need to go to Shopify and find your Shopify store URL. I'll show you exactly what that looks like in a second. So it's going to be either like this is what you want. This is the part that you want in red here. You want the name dash here, .myshopify.com, or you want admin.shopify.com/store/whatever this is. So you need to copy and paste whatever is in this red part for you. So for example, in this case, we're copying and pasting this like 7846F9-55. We're gonna copy and paste that part. That's what we're looking for here. Or in this example here, admin.shopify.com/store/whatever is within here. You need to copy and paste this. And as you can see, it's going to be in this section here. It's CHS-ECOM, or it's going to be this random string of numbers and letters. Whatever it is for you, you need to copy and paste it. And then when you put it into here, you need to put in whatever that is, so that, you know, this string right here, .myshopify.com. So that's what you need to put in that section. So that's going to go right there. And then as you can see, it's going to essentially look like this. All right, and then on-site tracking, we'll do that later, but let's hold off on that for now. So we need to sync our data from Shopify, and so as you can see here, most likely you're going to select newsletter and SMS subscribers. So as you can see here, we're going to go to select newsletter and SMS subscribers, as I just said. It could be whatever list that you want your Shopify people to show up as in Klaviyo. So you can choose whatever you'd like, but just for the sake of this video, as we can see here, we're going to put in newsletters and SMS subscribers. I would also recommend syncing. I would hit yes on sync your SMS subscribers to Klaviyo. That way you're syncing those two right there. And then next up here, syncing data to Shopify. These are the settings that I would personally recommend. Basically, this is asking if you want to send your Klaviyo profiles to Shopify. And default, I would do all profiles, but of course it's going to be up to you. And then I would recommend checking all of these boxes. And so once you're done here, once you go through and put in the store URL, and once you select the correct list and you hit these settings, you can go ahead and hit this final step, continue to Shopify in the bottom right corner. All right, so that is going to then redirect you to Shopify. And then within Shopify here, you're gonna hit install app. So you wanna install Klaviyo by hitting this button right there. And then confirm new integration. You'll want to hit this integrate button. And then it's going to take you back to Klaviyo. And this is the screen that you're going to be on. We're almost done here. We just want to turn on-site tracking in Shopify. So as you can see, it says the Klaviyo app embed is not enabled. So I'll show you how to do this. One thing you definitely want to note here is that your abandoned checkout flow is going to work out, out of the box. However, for the abandoned cart flow, you're going to need a separate setup. So just click this link if you want to set up the added to cart tracking, which is a whole separate topic. So you're going to get to this screen right here. Now you're going to go back to Shopify and you're going to hit online store in the left. And then once you're in your online store, you're going to hit customize. And then now once you're in your online store, you're going to see this screen on the left and you're going to hit this button right there. It's going to be app embeds. And then you're going to want to turn this little checkbox on to turn on Klaviyo. And this is what it's going to look like. And then you're going to want to hit save in the top right corner. And now you can go back to Klaviyo. And then in the bottom right, again, we're on this integration screen here. So you're going to get this on-site tracking. It's going to be yellow. Hit the bottom right, update settings. You're going to want to hit update integration. And then that's it. You're done. Everything should be completely set up and you're good to go. Klaviyo and Shopify should be talking with each other. Awesome. So that's the end of the video. Now that you know how to do it yourself, you have really two options here. You can continue to figure out all of everything email marketing, Klaviyo, Shopify related. You can continue to do it all yourself. I have a great YouTube channel with a bunch of different videos on email designs, sign up forms, all the different flows, campaigns, and a lot more that you can do with email marketing. Another option here is if you want a dedicated team of experts who will help you set everything up, help you with all your flows, campaigns, and pop-up forms, and even guarantee you an additional 50 to 200K new monthly revenue in the next 90 days, we can definitely help. So if you're interested in this offer, we have two different options. You can go to zhs-ecom.com and book a call there, or you can go ahead and send an email to my email address there, zach@zhs-ecom.com for more information. Hope you had a great time going through this and it was very understandable. But yeah, hope you have an awesome rest of your day and appreciate it.